How to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you want to share your Instagram story to WhatsApp status, you can follow this method. So for that, you can open up your Instagram first, and then you need to have a story posted in order to share it. For example, if you open up your story on Instagram, you can go ahead and open it by tapping on your story at the top. And once you tap on it, your story should be available. Now from the story in the bottom, you should be finding a three dot. You can go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, here you should be finding different options available. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the option that says copy link. You can go ahead and tap on it. And once the link is copied, or you can also use the option share to in the bottom, this one right here. Now from there, you will be finding the URL, everything. You can go ahead and select WhatsApp from the section, or you can just copy the URL like we copied the link. After that, you can head to WhatsApp. And after heading to WhatsApp, in the section of update, you can tap on the update option on the second. And after tapping on it, here you should be finding an option that says add status. Go ahead and tap on it. And type in text, tap on text option. After that, here you can go ahead and tap share the link. And once that is done, you can go ahead and tap on share. And there you go. That is how you basically share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.